If you want to share a link in a Telegram group, this quick tutorial will walk you through it step by step. Whether it's a website, a video, an article, or any other copied link, the process is very simple and only takes a few seconds. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure you have already copied the link from your source. That could be from your browser, another app, or anywhere else you found a link you want to share. The most important thing is to confirm that the full link is copied correctly before moving on. Once your link is copied, open Telegram on your device. Inside Telegram, go to the group chat where you want to send a link. Make sure you are in the correct group so the message goes to the right people. Now look at the text box at the bottom of the chat. Click inside the message box so the cursor is active. At this point, you have two easy options. You can right-click inside the text box and choose Paste. Or if you are using a keyboard, you can simply press Ctrl+ to paste the copied link instantly. As soon as the link appears in the message box, take a second to check that it pasted properly. If everything looks good, click the send button to share it with the group. And that's it. Your link is now posted in the Telegram group and visible to everyone in the chat. This is the fastest way to share a link without typing it manually, and it works great for saving time. If this tutorial helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.